Alright, what's going on? This is KI Motorsports, and this isn't a motorsports thing. I didn't really expect this today. I completely forgot I ordered this years ago when I pre-ordered the game. But I got the Wasteland 3 Collector's Edition in. So I figured I would make a quick little video about it. So I already cut the tape along the bottom that holds this top part on. So we'll take off the top. And the top piece here, it's got Aspen on one side, Denver on another, Garden of the Gods, and the Stapleton Airport. So we'll stick this off to the side here. And then up in the very top of the box, kind of get a peek at what's inside. This is the most interesting one to me. It's the Wasteland 3 Mixtape Volume 3. Looks like, yep. This pulls out in this little USB drive, probably with the game soundtrack on it. And then this one looks like some Snake Vargas dog tags. See if I can get them open here. Yep. For the focus here, got Hernan Snake Vargas, born 25th of June 2047, type O negative blood. Wasteland 3 on that side, and Exile on this side. That one's just the same. And there's a Wasteland Rangers keychain badge. If I can find the tab to open this one. Wasteland Rangers, it comes on a key ring. Get all this out of the way now. Looks like the front of the box here opens. Some foam. Got the map, just like the one that came with the box copies of Wasteland 2. Pull this out. Cloth map. Not one of the paper ones like you get with Grand Theft Auto or Elder Scrolls games. It's a map of Colorado, because that's where Wasteland 3 takes place. We got the art book and the Wasteland Survival Guide. Grab a knife and cut those open. I'm in the kitchen, so closest knife was this. Cut it a little more. This feels like it's actually leather, so I don't want to get too aggressive with the knife in there. If I can even get this thing open, wow. Wow, that is actually leather or rubber that feels like leather. Yeah, Wasteland Survival Guide, Government Approved Field Manual, 1988, Desert Rangers. Property of Scotchmo. Super thick pages. It feels like this weathering is actually in the pages. Note from Brian Fargo. Color pictures, factions. Wow, this is extremely nice. It's got notes written all over it. Cut open the art book here. Off is a super nice hardcover book. I assume it's, yeah, nice art of Scotchmo there. Looks like it's all the concept art and such. Las Vegas. Vehicles. Pretty nice. And then here's the big piece. Pop this up. Angle the camera a little better here. Get that out of the way. Here's the big piece. Grab the middle or the front part, I think. Yeah, front part. Looks like it's magnetic. We have the tail. That's magnetic too. It's an extremely nice statue. And I assume you just plop it in here for a display. So, on the wings here we have a destroyed city, a plane, some forest, the other part of the plane, and then in the middle of the nuclear blast. So, I guess this is a gaming unboxing video. There wasn't the actual game in this box, I think, because I'm going to get a digital code for it. But the statue is extremely nice, all the other stuff's with it. I guess I'm going to pop that USB drive in and take a listen to the soundtrack after this. So I know it's not a car video, but I play video games too, because everybody does now. So let me know in the comments if you like gaming stuff. Maybe I could post some more of it. And like it if you liked it, dislike if you didn't. Subscribe if you like this and like cars. And I'll see you in the next video.